Hello, are you, as a business owner, familiar of integrated growth marketing approach? Well, I'm Sushil, growth and inbound marketer, helping businesses to implement integrated marketing, especially growth marketing setup, strategies, and sales and marketing alignment processes. And I've been in this space for 5 years right now, helping with businesses of sizes of startups and small, medium as well, designing strategies, systems, and processes for all of their customer facing teams to have an exceptional CRM into core, have an exceptional sales and marketing platform into the core, and also educating and training them to have a proper onboarding process to get maximum out of it. And also a HubSpot solution partner together with a exceptional system like HubSpot. We have been working with the small medium businesses in technology space, especially helping them to navigate through all the chaotic process and bridge the silos to have a proper clean system into place where the most of customer facing team, be it your sales team, be it your marketing team, be it your customer support team, can consolidate their strategies and processes and optimize the customer service and solution part for better satisfaction. And together, we have partnered with 7 days to go to put a system, put a process in place to help you out to discover the challenges and find out the opportunities and gap which can give you extra leverage and mileage to achieve your business goal, and especially in this time it would be a great opportunity window for most business owners like you who are operating in the technology space, who are operating in a small medium businesses, to have a look, a top of the view look of overall marketing and sales alignment and marketing and sales enablement processes together with us. And if it is a problem point, and if it is a challenging point that you and your team has realized in this time, do not hesitate to contact us. Feel free to drop us a message to book an exploratory call and identify your challenges, growth, and timeline. And we would be more than happy to, of course, extend our help to see you achieving your business success as soon as possible. So, hope to see you soon and talk to you soon. Till then, bye bye and cheers.